In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two buttons side by side in Mailchimp. We'll start on the Mailchimp home dashboard. From here, open your campaigns by clicking Campaigns in the main navigation. Find the email you're working on and choose Edit to open its settings. Then select Edit Design to launch the email builder. Inside the builder, look to the sidebar that lists your content blocks. This is where you'll add and arrange elements. To place two buttons next to each other, first add a two-column structure. In the layout options, locate blank columns and choose the two-column option. Click and drag that layout into the spot in your email where you want the buttons to appear. You should now see two empty placeholders side by side. Next, add the buttons. Click into the first column, choose Add Block, and select Button. You'll see a default button appear in that column. Repeat the exact same action in the second column. Click the column, choose Add Block, and select Button, so you have one button in each column. With both buttons placed, it's time to customize them. Open the content settings for a button to edit the label and link. Use concise, action-oriented text like Shop Now or Learn More, and paste the destination URL into the link field. Do the same for the second button so each one points where you want readers to go. Now refine the look and feel. In the Styles panel, adjust typography, background color, button color, corner radius, and alignment to match your brand. Keep the two buttons visually consistent. Use the same font, size, and spacing, and set equal padding so they line up neatly. If you prefer contrast, for example, a primary and secondary call to action, keep sizes consistent while varying color or outline. Finally, check visibility settings. Click visibility to control where these buttons appear. You can set them to show on desktop, mobile, or both. Remember that on smaller screens, Mailchimp stacks columns vertically. If you want a specific button hidden on mobile or desktop, use these controls to fine-tune the experience and avoid crowding. That's it. You've added two buttons side by side by dropping in a two-column layout, placing a button block in each column, customizing the content, adjusting the styles, and confirming visibility so the layout works across devices. As a quick tip, match column widths and inner padding for perfect alignment, and rely on the built-in blocks rather than custom code for reliable rendering in most email clients.